Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in CapCut on PC, so you can get smooth video playback while editing. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to these three lines under the player. Click on them, and then head over to Preview Quality. Here, we're going to change the setting to Performance Priority. This setting prioritizes playback smoothness while you're watching your video, making it much less likely to lag. Now, that's not the only thing you need to do. Click anywhere on your timeline where there's no video or text, just in the gray area. This will bring up the project settings, which you can modify to improve performance. In the project settings, head over to the Performance section. Here, we're going to turn on the proxy option. Turning on the proxy will speed up editing without affecting the video quality. Let's turn that on. Next, you want to select a resolution for the proxy files. I recommend choosing the lowest one available to you. For me, that's 540p. You might be wondering, what does this do? Well, it renders video playback at a lower resolution, so it doesn't lag. Importantly, this does not affect the final export quality of your video. After selecting the resolution, click Save. When you export your video after editing, it will still come out at the high resolution you originally set. The lower resolution is just temporary to prevent lag while you're working in CapCut. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in solving any lag issues you were experiencing with CapCut. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.